you can see we are fetching some data inside home component. So this may be a fetch or any uh, data connectivity actions, but if we don't want to catch this fetch, then we use usually no store inside the fetch, or we use the route config like force dynamic above the component. But there is another option that we can uncatch the home component, that is we are not catching the component itself. So that is the new feature Nest.js provides. So what this mean, we need to import unstable no store from nest/catch, and we need to invoke this inside our component. So by doing this, our component home is not catched, so our fetch is also not catched, or any data base actions are not catched. So this is our new unstable no store works. So this will not catch our component and makes our component to dynamic one.